guys, I am here right now at Aswella Cove and we are going to be attending a little opening ceremony for Big Bad Wolf. I am so excited to see what books they have in store for all of us here in Davao. And yeah, I am just very excited. I'm actually not going to buy a lot of books this morning because I will be buying it all later with Tirso when he comes out of work and when we hang out. So let's go!
There are over 1 million English books that awaits our visitors, again with 50 to 90% off recommended retail price.
Hi Shotty, you're on my video. Ah! I got it! I got a Katara bookmark. Thanks. Thanks, bookish bro.
Is that not envy?
Right, so we are here in checkout. How are you?
I'm sweating.
You're sweating. What did you buy?
I got
Don't have to lift it up.
the last Beatles book.
What do you mean the last Beatles book?
They don't have it. This is the sample, like the last one. Grimm's Fairy Tales,
Okay.
the classics, Divine Comedy, and Percy Jackson.
Oh, you got that one.
I'm so sorry.
I got non-fiction books. I was gonna get Crazy Rich Asians, pero mamaya na, pagbalik ko. Right, I am back home and I bought some stuff, but before that, I will go to work. Then I'll come back later in the evening with Tirso and I'm gonna vlog that too. So, see you later.
We also have decided that today we want to make the book as a building block to those affected by the earthquakes. As a start, Big Bad Wolf and GK decided that we will be initially building 50 transitional shelters for the earthquake victims in North Cotabato. This whole book sale now, portion of the proceeds will go to building more than 50 houses.
Hi.
Hi.
So I should probably stop walking. Let's go to the side.
Stop walking.
Hello. We are here. I am back. It is evening and I have the VIP tickets to Big Bad Wolf. This should be good for 2 people and I'm bringing here today Tirso. This pass admits only 1 person to the VIP day of Big Bad Wolf book sale.
In that case, bye.
No! No. Mine.
I am here. This is the moment.
There's actually a lot more people in the evening. Hey, I found a book perfect for you. Look at the second one.
It's perfect.
We got our books here. This is Tirso's. This is mine. Hi, you're in my vlog. Hi, you're in my vlog. Hi.
No. Okay.
I mean, look at the line. These are all the people checking out.
Very close. Wait. Okay. Do it again. Look at the line. Do it again. Do that one again. You're not in focus.
So we're also donating books to Gawad Kalinga. So essentially you buy books and then they put it for donation. Wow. We have received 94 books and we're putting it... Yay! Woo! Thank you! Hey, what's up you guys? So I am home and here with me is Tirso.
Hi.
I'm gonna give you a rundown of what I bought from Big Bad Wolf. This one is the best ever video tips by Lonely Planet. I bought this one. It's called Productivity Ninja. I also got How to Become a Rainmaker. What's your presentation persona? I also bought something for photography. Photography Beyond Auto. I also bought Love Works. This is more of a how the world's top marketers make emotional connections to win the marketplace. So
That's how he won me.
100 Deadly Skills. Ooh, Survival Edition. I also got Low Budget Marketing for Rookies. Ooh, and Who Moved My Stilton?
I didn't.
A Victorian Guide to Getting Ahead in Business. You mostly bought books about business. Here one is The Lost Art of Being a Gentleman. The Ultimate Book of Organizing Hints and Tips. Juggling with Knives. This one is called Leading the Starbucks Way. And this one I cried about because I was planning to buy it in the morning, but then I was like, oh, there's gonna be more in the afternoon. So later in the afternoon, I come back and it was not there. And I was like, oh my god, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? And then, luckily, Tirso found it. And so we bought it. I bought the first book of Crazy Rich Asians trilogy by Kevin Kwan. I'm gonna be reading this because I love the movie. So I will obviously love the book. And that's it. That's all I got from Big Bad Wolf. What did you get?
I got a lot of stuff. I'm too lazy to open it, so that's my haul.
So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.
320? Okay.
Yes. Bye.
Bye.